Hello everyone, welcome again and today I'm going to show you another demonstration for Spring Boot application. So for a technical purpose it's using Spring Boot, Hibernate, JPA and to manage the front-end things it's using HTML, JSP, JSTL and Bootstrap. So it's a mall management application. So if you are going to buy this project or if you have already bought this project from Code1, you need to follow this demo in order to execute the application. In this demo, I'm going to show you how can you run the application, how can you execute the application further. If you need the source code, you can connect us over the WhatsApp, mail or the Skype and we will provide the remote support. So we'll take care about the configuration and set up the project that you're using. And after the setup, you need to follow this demonstration. So how can we run the application? So this is your runner class, mall management application with Java. Right click on it, go to run it as a Java application. It will start the Tomcat server. Spring Boot will start the Tomcat server. It will run on a specific port number. So currently in my case it's running on at 0 and you need to verify this message the Tomcat is successfully running. Now just open this application.properties file under the resources. This is your configuration file where we had commented out our URL. So just you need to copy this URL and open any browser, Chrome browser, and enter this URL. You will get the project will be launched automatically. Now other things for the backend side, it's using like MySQL database, and I'm operating the MySQL database on my MySQL workbench. So here is my MySQL workbench, and these are the tables. It's a major project, huge project, and it has a lot of tables like user, shop, slot. We'll see the features and functionality one by one. Also, it has two types of users. One is an admin user, and other is a customer or a user. So what operations are there, what different services are there, let's check out into the demonstration. Here over the home page we have our service page. So service page we have some linked services like shopping, movies, food, parking and other services also there. We will see while we log in. Another option here we have a login. So first as a login as an admin and check what admin can do. So from the login page also admin can like user can move to the registration page. Here we have option to create account. So when you will click on this create account, it will be redirect to the registration page. To get the credential for the admin user, you have to check the first record into this database. So here we have this record. So I'm going to just enter email ID and password and click to the sign in. And now you will see the multiple options. Like here as an admin I can add a new user, I can check the list of users. So let's quickly add a new user. So I'm going to add the dummy data. You can add a meaningful data when it's required, and mail and email ID. So I'll just enter password, phone number, any 10-digit valid phone number, and submit. So registration is successfully. Now if I check my user list, I can see the new user is available here. I can also edit this user. Let's suppose I want to update my first name. I've updated it and it will display here. Other thing, I can delete the user if required. So when I click the delete user, the user will be deleted like this. So after user module, we have another important module is a movie. So under the movie section, as an admin, I can add a new movies. I can check the list of movies. I can movie booking view. So I can check the bookings of the movies that is done by users. So let's suppose I'm going to add a new movie over there. So what major entries that I need to do, the title of the movie. So let's say new movie, and the description I'm going to enter a random number. So these are the static show like 10 a.m, show time, show 2, show 3, show 4, show and 5. So these are the 5 shows in a day, and the movie duration, let's suppose 3 hours. Ticket price, I'm going to enter the 500, and the movie language, I suppose it's English, and genre, let's say it's action movie, or we can say comedy. Okay, and it's 2D, and release date, so I can enter the current date. So let's suppose 0, 0509, or I can say 09/05/2023, and it's streaming or upcoming. So let's say it's streaming, and movie pester. So I'm going to add some image. Here I have some image, so I'm going to use this image. And number of seats, let's suppose in this theater we have 25 seats, so I just added it, and movie added successfully. Now if I check the movie list, this newly added movie will be displayed here, and here we have an option to search movie by its list, so I can search movie by its genre, and I can also edit the record. I can delete the record. While we edit the record, we have to upload the image again, so I'm going to just upload the image again. And let's suppose I'm going to update the price, so I edit the price is 600. I updated the image, I update the record, and now if I check the movie list, the price will be updated as a 600. Also here we have option to delete, so when I click on this delete icon, it will be deleted automatically. We'll perform some operation on this newly added movie, so that's why I'm not deleting it now. And here I can check the bookings. Okay, and also I can make a booking for any user if required, but this option will see from the user side. Also I can like when we are going to book a movie, like you can see its price is 600. I can select a show time, I can book, and I can select the seat number from here, and which seat I need to select. Let's suppose I want to this 3 seat, and the user detail automatically fetched, like movie name, admin and all. And when I hit the book, okay, first I need to enter the date as well. So I'm just suppose I'm going to book it for today, and card detail I need to enter here, town name, expiry date. So suppose I want to enter the expiry date, and the price is automatically calculated according to the number of tickets. So we have selected 3 tickets, so for 600 will be price for each ticket, so it's coming as 1800. When I hit the pay, as a payment done, and now it will be displayed here under the movie booking history. You can see the admin is booked the new movie, and also when I click on the view ticket, I can view the tickets from here. It will display the seat number and the movie name. uh, and another module, so this is all about the movie ticket. So it's really have a great view where we can select the movies here. Also in the movie booking view, we can check available seats. So when I display here, uh, you can see these seats are booked, okay, and these other seats are available. There are total 25 seats available. So also I can mark it available, so when I keep it mark available, it will be available now. You will know no more booked. Okay, it's available now. So as an admin, I have access to market available, but as a user, I can't be make it market as a available. Another option, another module is a parking module. So this is also important measure module in the project. So when I hit the add parking, so as an admin, I can add a new parking. So let's suppose I'm going to add a parking 6, address of the parking, and number of slots for parking. Let's suppose I'm going to enter 5 slots. Okay, when I click the add, parking is added. Now when I view the list, I can check the new parking is available here. Here we have an option to edit the parking, to delete the parking, also view the slots. So when I hit the view slots, I can check all the slots are available now because it's a new parking. And when I check the existing parking, it will display all the slots are available for this parking as well. And as an admin, I can book, as a user I can book a parking slot. So let's book a parking slots over there. So when I click on the book, I can select a parking slots. Like there are a total 5 slots. Let's suppose I want to book up slot number 2. So I select a parking as a for today, and the time is, let's suppose currently time is 11 a.m. So I'm going to select today's time and from the today's date, and it will be come for the 12 a.m. When I book the slot, again I need to enter the payment detail, and the price is 50. It's a static price, and when I pay, payment is done. And now if I view the parking, and if I try to view the slots, you can see that slot number 2 is booked. As an admin, I have access to market available, but now again, if I'm going to book a new parking from this slot 2 will be gone from here because it's already booked. Also, where you can check the history of booking parking, under the booking history you will check the parking history, and this is available. This is booked between 11 a.m 11:13 a.m to the 12:13 p.m. So here as an admin I have an option to cancel it. Also we are using some kind of scheduler, so when the time is reached to over limit, like after on um, 0014, automatically this slot will be available. So we are using the scheduler here, and you can see into the project also the scheduler is continuing running on each setting. Each minute I'm checking if the time is over, then automatically it will give a available slot to us. Okay, after parking the things, after parking module we have another module which is called food. So I can add a new food stall. So let's suppose I'm going to add a few stall on, and let's say food, new food stall, and let's add a image. So I'm going to add some dummy image. You can use some meaningful image over there when you are operating this application. So I need some images. Food image is not there. Okay, I'm adding this image for a demonstration purpose, and this stall is added. Now under the food list I can check this image is added. Now under this stall what we can do, we can add items, we can view items. Okay, let's suppose also we can edit this slot by click on this edit option, and also we can delete this slot. I can add items, food item. So let's suppose I'm going to add food 1, and food price is let's suppose 100, and delivery time, so suppose it can be delivered in 20 minutes. I submit and add more items in the same food, add 200, and it can also be delivered in 25 minutes. So menu is added, and when I check the food list and view item, it will display me to the item, these two items that we recently added over there. Also as an admin I have an option to edit it, delete it, edit it, delete it, the food items. Under the food code section, the food card is empty right now. When we book the food, it will be displayed over there. So who is going to add this food items? It's going to add by the user only. When we log in by user, we'll show you how can you operate it. After that, we have an option to add game. So under this, as an admin, I can add a new games. So I just enter the game name, price per hour, instruction, image. Currently I'm adding a dummy images over there. You can add a meaningful image later on if required. So you can see the new image is available here, the new product is available here for the game. Okay, so here the new image is available, and what I can do as an admin, I can delete the any game, I can edit the any game, I can check to the get details. So the complete instructions of the game I can see here, the price details and all. So under the game section, game module, we can add the game details, we can view the game details, we can delete, update and check the instructions of the detail. Also we have an option to recharge card. So this is the admin user, so user have a card which has the current balance as a 500. Let's suppose I want to recharge this more 500, so I have added the 500. Now if I view my card under the gaming recharge, it will give me a balance as a 1000. Okay, next thing, shopping is another module of this project. So when we click on the add, so I can add a new shop name. So I suppose I'm going to add a shop number 345, owner name, contact number, okay, email address. So let's suppose I'm going to add an email as a this, and opening time 10 a.m, closing time 9 p.m. I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to add this image, I edit, shop is added successfully. Now if I view the shop list, the image, that product will be displayed here with all the details like booking time and all the details, and I can edit it, I can delete it if required. And another module, we have event. Let's suppose some events is coming, so I can add an event list here, event detail here. I'm just adding a dummy data, so the type of event and the venue, date and the timing. So let's suppose I want to add a timing, choose image. So let's add one event. So I'm going to add this, this is a product image, so I want to add this book image only. Click on add. Now this event will be displayed here into the event list, this one that we have recently added. Price and all the details are added. Now um, here for the event we have added the theater number, venue and all the details. After event section we have another module which is a job. So in case is there any vacancy into the mall, the admin can add the job. So job name, job description, and again I'm adding the contact number and some dummy data I have added. I add the job successfully. Now I can view the job list here. Also as a user I can apply the job, but currently I logged in as an admin, but still I have the option to apply the job for any other user. So I can edit the record here, I can delete the record. We will see at the time of user login how can we apply for the job. In case if user will apply for the job, the application will be displayed here. So admin have access to accept it or reject it. These are the accepted and applied. So when I click on the accept, this will become as accepted. And also from here I can download the resume of the user, and resume will be in a PDF file. So user can like upload any image, any PDF doc, and that will be displayed, like admin can download it like this. Under the deal section, as a new deal I can add, as an admin I can add a new deal, and let's add some image. And so deal will be displayed under the deal list, and this will be again will be displayed to the grid view. Okay, after deal we have a booking sections. Here we can check the booking view for the movie tickets, we can view the movies, we can check the parking list, we can cancel the parking if required, we can check the food booking. Also under the food booking we have multiple options, like if the food is ready to pick, like there is a time for particular food for 20-minute or 30-minute delivery time. So first, like admin is going to accept or reject the request that is coming for the food, and like currently it's in process. When I go here and I accept it, it will come as accepted. Now when I make the exception as a ready to pick, so it will be updated here as a ready to pick. So admin can update the status, like accept or rejected the request for the food request, and also it can, admin can update the delivery status over there. Okay, also admin can reject it if required. So booking section is done. Under the payment section we have a payment for a common payment for movie and other things, parking, and for the food payment we have a separate list here, so let's check another option. This is my profile. As an admin or user I can update the profile, I can log out from here. Now let's register as a new user and log in this user and check what user can do over there. So I just going to enter some dummy data, and then this is okay. I submit the record. When I check my user table, it will display me more records. So let's log in with this user and check what user can do here now. So I go here, I just enter the username as an email ID and the password, hit the login button. Again I can see all the options, but a user have a limited access, so a user can check the list of movies, not delete update. User can book a movie as we have done for from the admin side. So also when I view the histories right now for this user, it will display null because it's a new user. So let's book a movie and check what we can do. So how can you book a movie? Go to here, book movie ticket, and take a timing. Let's suppose from this, first check the available seats. So it has a many available seats, so I will just go there, and for a 4 p.m. we have these available. See, so these are already booked, so I cannot book the first and second seat, but I can book this three. It's 202 the dollars will be a price. I select the date, I pay in book. Automatically the price is calculated and converted into the three. I just need to enter my card number, card name, expiry date, and pay. The payment is done. Now if I view my movie history, I can check here. I can also view my movie ticket. So this is my ticket. And in the parking section also, I can book a parking. I can view the available seats, and here into the parking slots, I can book a new slot if required. So here I'm going to book a slot at 9 p.m. So 11, let's say for the next day till next day at the same time I need this. Also 1 p.m. book a slot, the card number, card name, expiry details, and it's done. So these things will be displayed here into the parking booking history, and I can cancel it if required. Okay, after the view food section, I can view the food items. So these are the stalls. Under these stall, I can view the food item. I can add to cart this item. I can add to cart this item if required. And when I check my food cart, this two item is available. Also, I can increase the quantity one or two, and automatically according to the increment, the price will be calculated here. And 400 plus 500 and total price is this. When here I can click on the pay now. Again the card option will be displayed here for the payment. Total price is calculated automatically. When I click on the pay, payment is done. Now I can check it here as a food, and currently it's in process. So admin again going to update the status and display the record. Okay, now here the food is done. Now under the gaming section I can check the list of game, and these are the available games. I can check the get details. I can recharge my card. Currently this is a new user, so card id is 0 and a card id is 4. For this card id the balance is 0, so I'm going to add some balance here as a 1000 and add one more 2000. So total balance will be 3000. Now if I check my card and game recharge card, it has a balance of 3000. Shop list, here I can check the shop list. I can view the details of shops like email id, owner contact, and opening closing details. Event list, I can check the available event, that is upcoming events. Job list, I can check the job list. If required, I can apply for the job. And experience in a month, to apply I need to enter the experience in a month. Let's suppose I have 24 months experience. I need to upload an image, or you can say the PDF file. So I need any resume, so I'm adding this for now, and I updated it, and this PDF is added. Now if I view my job application, it will be displayed here and is applied for now. Under this I can check the deal list. Under the deal section I can check the new deals. Under the booking history I can check the movie bookings, parking bookings, and food booking. Here I can check the payment history that is done by me for the food and parking and other stuffs. So again we have a view profile option here, so I can update my profile and logout option. When I go to the home page, again the services, so this is a major project. It's a lots of functionalities, and it's using Spring Boot, Hibernate, JPA, and JSP and Servlet. Sorry, JSP, not Servlet. It's using Spring Boot, HTML, and Bootstrap, JSP, JSTL to manage the front end. Running, it's also using auto scheduler from the Spring Boot to update the parking records. So in case you need the source code, you contact us over the WhatsApp, Skype, and mail. We will provide the complete support to set up this project at your machine, and obviously it's a paid project, so please if you need, just check the price and the description. You will get a link in the description. Just go there and check the price and detail of the project, and if you need, please contact. We'll do the setup. In case you need an explanation, there are multiple services. You can take the services as per your requirement. So thank you.